Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys technophone setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys hotspot password setting. So in this video guys we will talk about guys how can we change our hotspot password in our technophone guys. You want to change your hotspot password so as you can change easily. And guys now let's see how to change hotspot password. So first of all guys we will have to on our phone settings. So guys I will on it. Then guys you can see this setting. So guys click on your hotspot setting. Then guys click on your Wi-Fi hotspot. Then guys click on hotspot setting again, tap here, and guys you can see your hotspot password. So guys I will tap here, and guys tap here and cut this password guys. New password guys you can change from yourself. So guys I will change into guys 9876543321. So example for guys I will take this one and okay. Then guys you can see save hotspot setting, tap here first of all. So as you can see guys, check your hotspot password guys. You can see friends, my hotspot password has changed. So like that guys you can change your hotspot password in your technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.